What's going on YouTube? Noah back here with another video for y'all today. So, today, it's not quite a long-lasting video, but this is going to be an update on the 450. It's basically what it's going to be. So the 450 is 99% ready to get out of the shop. That little 10% will be finished tonight. As you can see, I'm in the shop. Woo! But the 450 behind me. I'll spin y'all around and just show y'all a little bit kind of what all we done, what all's left, and hopefully we can get it out of here today. Alrighty YouTube, so as you can see, we're up underneath the truck. So just to recap. Oh, there's some coolant leaking, but that's just because I have the coolant system open. All this coolant is fine, it's supposed to be though. So engine's in, if you can't tell. Transmission's in, or back in, if you can't tell. Transport case is in for the first time. Drive shaft's in. Tires back on the back. So, what have we done underneath here? We sent this out to get some work done to it. Basically, what they did is swap the wheel shaft. They swapped out a couple clutches that were bad in it. And then they swapped out the tail housing so that we could hook it up to this. And then this is not. So far, I haven't done anything to the transport case. Hopefully, that stays the case. I drained the fluid out, put some new fluid in. Basically, all I've done with that. That, and then we got the two-piece drive shaft shortened, and I rebalanced the back one. So they both are balanced. This one I took, I want to say I took like from weld to weld, it was like 24 and some change, I think is what it was. So, took that out, had them re-welded it. They did an awesome job for me. We balanced them both. Put all new U-joints in it. Should have put another cable bearing in it, but should be fine for now. Put new bolts and clips in here because other ones were sawing around, and these are a pain in the butt. I don't want to be on the side of the road trying to take them off. Fixed this mount, new shocks on both sides, new shock mount up there. What else? Oh, this is actually off a different truck. This cross member. This is a forward drive cross member. So if you're doing a forward drive conversion on one of these, you need a new cross member. Otherwise, this hits the cap. What else? Yeah, other than that, all down here is pretty much set. I'm ready to get this truck going. Yeah, so that's basically what we did. So obviously I'm missing the front drive shaft. I need to buy one of those. There's one about 6 hours away down in Savannah, I believe. I just need to get this truck making a little money before I go out and spend another $1,000 on a front end, which I probably should just go do. Well, $600 for the front end, and then it's either getting it shipped or sending me or somebody else down there, and it's basically going to cost me $1,000 to do it. So that's that. And then I went through and replaced all the studs. If you look at these, they're nice, shiny. I snapped one when it was coming off on the other side, and then snapped a couple more when I was putting them on. So I just went ahead and replaced all the studs. Easy enough. Didn't really cost all that much money. Those of y'all, if any of y'all run 295 or 19.5 tires, let me know what y'all run for drive tires. I'm gonna have to put another set of drive tires on it. These inner is starting to wear more, so I'm gonna have to replace both drives and get an alignment done. But I just want to see which. I like to know what other people have run in. That way I can kind of get a decent tire. So, and the other question is, if y'all are running these and you do want a four-wheel drive truck, do you just put these straight tires on it? Or do you put something a little more aggressive, so then you have some meat in the front? I haven't quite figured out, but Anybody that run 19.5s, let me know. I'd be open to a question. I know the tiles are anywhere between $250, $350 a piece, so they can spend some money on some tiles, but hopefully they'll be well worth it. Being that, alright, now I guess I'll show y'all what we done under the hood and why this is all wet. But as y'all probably saw, a new pan, new radiator hoses. I should have replaced this hose, I never did, but it's probably gonna be the one to blow out on me. But I'm gonna go ahead and let the truck down, and I'll show y'all what we did on top. And I gotta get a new stabilizer on it. Alright, so under the hood, didn't really do a whole lot more than y'all have seen in the past. I placed a degas bottle, or whatever you want to call it. Process of replacing 2 radiator hoses. I did replace the heater coil in this. What else did I do? Other than the battery connection, but I think I already made a video when I did that. Maybe not. We basically resealed the fuel filter. Put new seals on the drain on this, and that's all set to go. New belt, new water pump, y'all saw that. Yeah, so this is pretty much ready to go. All I really waiting on those quick connects to come in so I can hook those up, bleed the coolant system. We'll be good to go. So hopefully, plan is tonight to get this, try getting this thing out of here. We'll see if it happens or not, but yeah. So that's the plan. I'm gonna put those quick connects on tonight when I get them over, bleed the coolant system. I got one more cover to go on the torque converter, just to cover up that. Other than that, I just finished cleaning this shop out. And then I gotta play Tetris in a way, get this thing out that door. I gotta get all this junk out of here, or at least moved around to where I can finagle it out. I think we're gonna move the lift over to straight in front of the door in the back. That way, it's not such a pain in the butt to get something in and out, on and off the lift. So I think that's gonna happen in the very near future. But until then, we're just gonna deal with what we got. And then start tomorrow. I got 2 gates to build. Pretty good sized gates. I'm gonna make videos on that along the way, and then just go from there. But I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to comment, and subscribe for more. I'll probably make this a video, and then my next video I'll have just of me pulling this thing out and going to town with it. But I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to y'all later. See ya.